second song off my album titled Court Case. So I just want to give a shout out to Mr. Chinwo for being an inspiration behind this my second hit. I would like to feature some big rappers in Nigeria, talking about the incredible M.I. Abaga, talking about one of the most underrated rapper in Nigeria, Magneto, fresh out. I would like to also feature VEC, GOAT, GOAT, Vector, talking about Mode 9, talking about Neto C. I would like to feature the legendary Two-Face Idibia in my song, but I can't afford it right now. But I believe that if I sell this song, if you people stream my song, I will have more money to feature them and also pay for my court case. Chineke come true. Rattle gang for life.